Everyone,
Good
as
evening.
as this is set to play debate game, and I am in the favor of love marriage, and let's get started it. So as we know that love marriage is very famous in the world, and people are doing it, and this is the one type of fashion culture which has been following by the people. And if I come to the another things, that is in the love marriage you can get to know about the partner, who is your partner, and how she or he does the work, and what is it, and on the behalf of that you can do. And otherwise in the arranged marriage you don't know about the partner, you don't know about any single things, and on the behalf of your 5 minutes meeting you are gonna do marriage with her or him. So this is not the right thing according to me. I don't believe in this. And
As the
this,
main thing is that whatever you are saying love marriage. So basically, as I'm a support of arranged marriage, as it has been running, as it is you can say our culture, but people are just running behind of love marriage. Love marriage just destroying the people life just because you are just running behind the face. You are unable to understand the face. What's behind the face value? Just try to understand the
so
face
the
value.
same thing I'm telling, that we don't know what is the behind of the face. That's why I'm saying you cannot identify the person with whom you haven't met, with whom you haven't taken any action, with whom you haven't done anything. So on the behalf of some meetings, on the behalf of some things, how can you recognize that partner?
Now you mean to say that our parents are doing bad things. Our parents can't do never ever bad thing for their childrens. Main thing is that we should do arranged marriage, because in arranged marriage society's people come and they just think, they put their own views in the arranged marriage instead of doing love marriage. You can see many cases
So
on
do
daily
you
basis.
really do you believe on the society's opinion, that society, if society says that this person is wrong and this girl is good, this, so do you believe in this? No, I don't believe, because I mind about my things. I don't care about the people what they are saying about me and not. And that's how I say. And if you tell to your parents, if you tell to your family that she is the girl, she is the boy, or he is the boy with whom I want to do marry, so at that moment no one denies that. You can know, but the thing is that you should.
Main thing is that you know very well old is gold. That is why arranged marriage it has been running. People are doing, whether nowadays, as fresh blood. Fresh blood means youth. They are just running behind the love marriage. Why? Because they want some different things from the girl side. After getting that thing, they just run away from that thing and they do just from some girl. Apart from it, as our parents, they want good things for us, for our life. That is why they're just saying to us just to do arranged marriage instead of doing love marriage. You can see many cases at SDM office on regular basis. Many cases comes at SDM office and register. There are many cases which are being registered in the registers.
So if it is all about the fresh brothers or this modern era, so why the celebrities are doing this? As you can know that many celebrities are following the love marriage, and they are happy with that. For example, Virat Kohli, he has done a love marriage, and now you can see how how much happy he is now. So on the behalf of that, you cannot say this is all about the fresh blood. And about the SDM code, whatever you have taught or you have told about these cases about the divorces, so I don't think so this is all about the love marriage. The many cases are there which are being found with the help of arranged marriage as well.
What you guys are doing, don't cry over the split made. It means अब पछताए क्या जब चुड़िया चुग गई खेत. Those things you are doing. That is why just try to understand your parents' feelings, what they want from your side, but you don't want them be happy. So always just make your parents happy. Apart from it, if you're just doing arranged marriage, believe me,
See,
always
I don't
you
know
would be happy.
why are you why are you taking the words of parents again? I don't think so. See, I'm saying this, if you believe in love marriage, so you can tell to your parents. I have also repeated this point last time. Again, I'm telling to you that you can tell to your parents, you can tell to your family. On the behalf of that, you can do love marriage. And believe me that if you convince your father, mother, and any member of your families, so at that moment you can get to know that they are fully agreed with you and they are happy with your decision. They don't care about this. But the condition is that in the love marriage you can get to know about the partner, but on the same end in the arranged marriage you cannot. In the love marriage you know the
My dear friend,
background.
what are the neighbors? You can ask to the neighbors why they are living in the society. If you are just going to get married, you can ask to the neighbors what's the behavior of that boy and girl. On behalf of those statements you can get any kind of things. And apart from it, as many things, many people are sitting surround me. They are just well understand each and everything, and they are just trying to, I can say, understand their atmosphere. And
Okay,
nowadays,
so now as you are giving the example of society, and you can ask to them, see, suppose I am the criminal and I have changed my location from here to there. Now before that I had been living in the Sangam, but now I have been living in Madangir. So my neighbors can tell about me that how I am. I am a criminal or I am the good boy, I am the this innocent boy. No one can tell me. Because of my location I can change my whole personality. So this is the thing I am telling. But in the love marriage,
My dear friend, statement is given on behalf of long duration, not a short duration. If you have been living in society for a long time, whether 2 years, 20 years, then neighbors will give a evidence. This is not a short term evidence. Apart from it, as you are saying, as our video creator, he has also done arranged marriage instead of doing love marriage. So that is why we should go with arranged marriage instead of going love marriage.
but now you are saying that you have to wait for the 20 years and 25 years to listen from neighbors that yes, he is the good boy. I don't know why are you that much depending on the neighbors. You just need to depend on yourself. You have means in the love marriage you can know about the background of the family, you can know about the everything from top to bottom. But in the arranged marriage you can know the things.
Ground reality of love marriage what is nowadays, what girls are doing, creating videos, reels. Second, not doing anything, not supporting to his, there you can say family, only just creating videos, giving time on social media. That is why they are unable to do work on a effective manner. That is the effect of love marriage. If you do arranged marriage, believe me, you can take example of villages. They are understand, they are, I can say, well educated, but people just they backbite behind that. They are uneducated. That's not reality.
Now the word has come that is uneducated. This is all about the education, that if you are educated so you can know about the respect of your parents. You don't need to go to court and you have to do court marriage. No, if you are satisfied with your things, so you can have the marriage with the rituals, no matter that is love or that is arranged. So if you are having the love, so you can manage your things in that manner. And another thing is, if I come to see love marriage, people see love marriage with their negative eyes, that love marriage has this disadvantage, love marriage has disadvantage. But for me, no, love marriage has not, means love marriage doesn't have any single disadvantage which people think. They just have mind.
You are just forgetting one thing, that is money. Whether you are having good bond, good connection, good friendship, on behalf of money, your love can be broken in a single second. You are just forgetting. Just try to understand these things as money matter. Money plays crucial role whether anything is over there. Whether families matter, whether arranged marriage, love marriage, anything can be broken on the spot. Apart from it,
see, money is seen in the arranged marriage. In the arranged marriage, you ask to your bride or to groom that how much dowry system. As you know that in the dowry system, means dowry is asked in every wedding of arranged marriage. But in the love marriage, no one asks for dowry. You just need a love and you can do have marriage. No matter that you have your own house, you have your own vehicle or not. This is just a funda of love marriage. And if I come to another thing, that in the arranged marriage, you just what you do, that first of all you have to ask for this, that can you give me house, can you give me this. And if you are from government employee, so you know the things, this is
I know the
big
things
deal.
very well. I know the things. If you're just doing marriage, believe me, you can done in a single rupee. No matter you are asking bullet, Bugatti, no matter. If you are just trying to understand the family background, you can do single. Main thing is that you want girl, not a boy. Apart from it, as many people you have seen, they pay to their girls above 1 crore, because they wanna show their quality and means from which background